Honor has just unveiled its first clamshell flip phone in China, the Honor Magic V Flip. This foldable beauty is set to compete with heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Oppo Find N3 Flip, and Vivo X Flip. But what makes the Magic V Flip stand out? Stick around to find out. First off, let's talk about that display. The Honor Magic V Flip boasts a stunning 4-inch cover display, the largest in the industry. This 120Hz LTPO display with a peak brightness of 2500 nits ensures a vibrant viewing experience. The entire front is an edge-to-edge screen, despite housing a dual camera. You can use the cover display for all your favorite apps, from maps and social media to food delivery, and yes, it even plays videos. When you flip open the Magic V Flip, you're greeted by a 6.8-inch inner screen with a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. This display also boasts 3000 nits peak brightness, ensuring excellent visibility even outdoors. It includes features like natural eye protection and a sleep-aiding display. Plus, the phone is equipped with dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Underneath the sleek design, the Magic V Flip is built to last. It features Honor's proprietary lube and hinge, which promises ultra durability and reliability, earning a 5-star SGS certification. The phone maintains a slim profile, measuring just 7.15mm when open and 14.89mm when folded. For added convenience, there's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button. Photography lovers, rejoice! The Honor Magic V Flip sports a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor featuring OIS support and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front, you'll find a 50-megapixel selfie snapper. The camera system includes cool features like natural background blur, hover selfie, dual screen preview, and 4K time-lapse. Powering this flip phone is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, paired with 12 gigs of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. Honor has also integrated its self-developed C1 Plus RF enhancement chip for superior performance. The Magic V Flip is fueled by a robust 4800 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging support. To keep things cool, it features an ultra-thin liquid cooling system. It runs on macOS 8, based on Android 14. The Honor Magic V Flip is available in 3 stunning colors: Camellia White, Champagne Pink, and Iris Black. The pricing is quite competitive, starting at approximately USD 689 for the base model with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. For those needing more space, there are 2 other options: the 12 plus 512 gigs, priced at around $758, and the 12 gigs plus 1 TB model at about $827. Additionally, there's an exclusive limited edition featuring 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, available for roughly $965. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tech videos. Peace out!